VisionAutoworks here with a Honda Civic 96 to 98 headlight package finished up today. These are built on brand new OE style headlights, which we painted the internals black, or the bezels black, for that blacked out look as the customer wanted. The projector retrofit is the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Xenon projectors. With these small headlights, usually using the mini projectors are the way to go, although we can fit some other projectors as well. If you are interested, just reach out to us and we can spec out a custom package. But our packages online usually use the Mini H1s for these headlights. You can go with the standard or the Morimoto H1 8.0s, which are really just the best option in terms of Mini H1 form factor here. Shrouds are the iris shrouds. Really nice, clean, round shape, and it matches well with the bowls that were left chrome. So a really clean OEM plus look, which is really what we're known for and kind of prefer for these types of headlights. We have had customers in the past, get halos and demon eyes and stuff like that. We can definitely add that to your package if you're into that type of thing. We're going to cut the HIDs on. Just give you an idea. What it looks like turned on. These are some just cheap bulbs that we use for testing purposes, but our kits do, our headlight packages do come with the Morimoto XB35 HID kit as a default option. Really high quality components, fast startup, and 5-year warranty on the HID system. So if you have any questions, you can reach us by email or phone. Visit our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We have a package for this vehicle. If you have one of these Civics, you can order online, spec it out exactly the way you want it, place your order.